You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 113/18. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Multiply the fractions. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Break up the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 55/8 to both sides. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 2/5. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 113/18.